Welcome to our sound effects series. Here is a quick tutorial on downloading the effects presented in this video. First, write down the code for the effect you want to download. Now go to our website and click on the button for the effect you want. When asked for the password, type the code you wrote. Finally, click the download button and your download should start immediately. Now repeat this for any effect you want.
The most powerful and feared man in the music business.
No. When I show him big like that, you know what we say? Hold up. Run it to my crew.
Okay, I'm reloading.
The DJ who's got that party turned to a crime scene because the ladies have been fighting over him.